Part 1. Introduction: Earning Interest on Crypto. Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to channel for mastering cryptocurrency and achieving financial freedom. In today's video, we're going to dive into a powerful way to make your crypto work for you: crypto lending. Are you looking to earn interest on your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies? Just like traditional savings accounts, crypto lending allows you to earn passive income on your holdings. Unlike traditional banks, crypto lending offers higher interest rates, making it an attractive option for many investors. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of lending your crypto, how to choose the best platform, and what tools to use to get started. Check the description below for links to the helpful tools I mentioned. Part 2. What is crypto lending? Crypto lending involves lending your cryptocurrency to other users or platforms in exchange for interest payments. When you lend your crypto, it's typically loaned out to borrowers who may use the funds for trading or other purposes, and you earn interest on the loaned amount. The interest rates vary depending on the platform and the type of crypto you lend, but they're often much higher than traditional savings accounts or bonds. Crypto lending can be a great way to earn passive income, especially if you're holding crypto long-term and don't need immediate access to your assets. Part 3. Types of crypto lending platforms. There are two main types of crypto lending platforms: centralized and decentralized. Let's take a look at both so you can decide which option fits your goals. 1. Centralized platforms. These platforms act as intermediaries between you and borrowers. They handle all aspects of the loan, including setting interest rates and managing risk. Some of the most popular centralized lending platforms include BlockFi and Ethereum. These platforms offer a straightforward user experience, but you'll need to trust the platform with your assets. 2. Decentralized platforms. Unlike centralized platforms, decentralized platforms allow you to lend crypto directly to other users without an intermediary. DeFi decentralized finance platforms like Aave or Compound allow you to lend and borrow directly from one another in a decentralized manner. These platforms often offer higher interest rates, but the risks can be higher too. Part 4. How to lend crypto on centralized platforms. Let's focus on centralized lending platforms to help you understand how crypto lending works. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose a platform. To lend your crypto, the first step is to choose a reputable platform. Platforms like BlockFi and Ethereum are popular and trusted in the crypto community. 2. Create an account. After choosing a platform, sign up and complete the Know Your Customer process to verify your identity. 3. Deposit your crypto. Once you're verified, deposit the crypto you want to lend. You can lend a variety of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. 4. Select the loan terms. You'll be able to choose the loan term, which is typically anywhere from 1 to 3 months or more. 5. Earn interest. Once your crypto is lent out, you'll start earning interest, which is paid in the form of the same cryptocurrency you lent. Popular platforms include BlockFi and Ethereum. Part 5. How to lend crypto on decentralized platforms. If you're looking for more flexibility and higher interest rates, decentralized platforms might be the way to go. Here's how to lend on DeFi platforms. 1. Choose a platform. Platforms like Aave and Compound are popular choices for decentralized lending. 2. Connect your wallet. To get started, you'll need to connect your crypto wallet to the DeFi platform. Most platforms support wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. 3. Deposit crypto. Once connected, you can deposit the crypto you want to lend. Interest is usually paid in the form of the same asset you deposited. 4. Earn interest. On decentralized platforms, you can often lend your crypto and even earn additional rewards in the form of governance tokens or other incentives. Part 6. Key considerations before lending crypto. Before diving into crypto lending, there are 4 important factors you should consider to make sure it's the right option for you. 1. Risk. Crypto lending platforms can offer high rewards, but they come with risks. There's always a chance the platform could experience issues or the borrowers could default. Make sure to do your research and choose platforms with strong reputations. 2. Interest rates. Interest rates vary greatly between platforms. Some offer higher rates for stablecoins or more volatile assets. Compare rates to make sure you're getting the best deal. 3. Withdrawal terms. Some platforms have lock-up periods, meaning you can't withdraw your crypto for a certain time. If you need liquidity, Make sure to choose platforms with flexible withdrawal terms. 4. Platform fees. Always check for any platform fees that might eat into your earnings. Look for platforms that are transparent about their fees. Part 7. Conclusion. Start earning passive income with crypto lending. Now that you know how to lend your crypto and earn interest like a pro, it's time to get started. Whether you choose a centralized or decentralized platform, crypto lending is a great way to make your crypto work for you. If you found this video helpful, check the description below for links to the helpful tools I mentioned. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips. Which platform are you most excited to use for lending crypto? Let me know in the comments below.